Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now inside this box is the TELESIN portable fog machine, and I am super excited to review it because for us content creators to add smoke into some epic scenes will just take them to the next level, and this is going to do that for us. Now they've sent it to me for that 11 out of 10 review. That means that we will unbox it, we will set it up, and of course we will give it a real well test. But in reality, we're going to have a lot of fun creating smoke and making some serious, cool, epic scenes. Let's start with the great unboxing. The first thing you'll see on opening the box is this awesome carry case. Once you've opened the carry case, you'll find your C40 fog machine. This feels extremely premium quality and well made. On the bottom, you will find a 1/4-inch screw hole, so it's compatible with most tripods. The control panel actually comes out what makes it into a remote. That means it can be operated from afar. It comes with a selection of different tube attachments and foam attachments, meaning that you can get an incredible range of different smoke effects. The oil tank has a nice solid metal and glass feel to it, being able to take a decent amount of liquid. It even comes with some atomization liquid, so you're good to go. You get a Type-C charging cable, and the user manual comes well printed, full of step-by-step instructions for use. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. So now it's time to charge your device. Once you've plugged in your C40 portable fog machine, the LCD screen will light up with a battery indicator so you'll know when it's full. To set up your device, take your oil tank out of its protective cover. Now remove the silicone bung out of the top of the device. You'll find a small hole. Take your atomization liquid, pouring it into the hole. Be careful not to get any in the smoke outlet. Once filled, take your oil tank and simply screw it into the top of your C40 and put back on your protective cover. Attach your T-tube, hold down your power button for 3 seconds and your device will power into life. Once that's done, you can decide which kind of smoke that you require. Also set the timer to which you can select from 5 seconds to 200 seconds. Once you've done that, simply press the button on the top and your fog will start to come out. So let's take a look at some of the different smoke effects that are pre-programmed into the C40 portable fog machine. One of the really cool things though is that you can remove its actual remote from it. So when you go back, if you place this in a position to catch that epic shot, you can use the remote to activate the machine. So you can power it on by a simple firm push of the button. Once it's powered on, you can see it's currently in free mode. So if you press this, you can get the smoke pouring out the top. That's quite cool. And then you've got these different modes here. So you can have steam, fog, dry ice. Once you decide which one you're going to try, so we'll try dry ice first, you then press the select button and then you can add how many seconds you want of dry ice. So let's go for 20 seconds of dry ice. And as you can see, it causes this quite thick smoke above my head. And as you could imagine, the scenes, the epic scenes you could pick up with that dry ice effect, a good few seconds of that, a good chunk on the right shot, could be seriously next level. So next up, what we'll go for is steam with another 20 seconds.
All I want is all of you. Nothing less than that will do. Baby, baby, you take me high, high.
And with the steam, it's almost like a nice slow mist coming up, so you can be able to capture that kind of slightly smoky, steamy effect on an object. The right lighting again could make an absolutely beautiful shot. So next up, let's have a look at the final pre-setting, fog. We'll do exactly the same, a 20-second blast. And as you can see behind me, just in 20 seconds, that's a real nice blast of thick smoke, really giving you that fog effect. I do like that one. You also get plenty of these little attachments. That means that you can cause all sorts of effect. So let's see what we can do with this nice little bit of foam and this extension. So with this, you simply pop it on, you slide it into the gap in the foam, and you attach it to your portable fog machine with a simple push on. And then from here, we switch on our device, select how many seconds again, we'll go for another 20 and we'll do on fog. And you can see that real richness coming out. Wow. We also have this attachment as well. What this does, as you would have seen in the beginning when we're doing the unboxing, it pushes the smoke out to each side. But you also get this foam attachment. So let's pop it on and show you the effect that we can get using this. But it's a simple job of popping it straight on again, turning on your portable fog machine, selecting how many seconds you want, and pressing start. And that really does cause a ball of smoke. So that's all the different settings, and of course you can play with that so much more, creating so much more. So it is a real awesome bit of kit. So what I want to do, I want to try to create a cinematic epic scene to show you exactly how cool having this fog machine can make your shots. So my aim to create this shot is to fill this entire garage space with smoke from that tiny portable machine. So I'm going to refill that chamber and pump this whole place up with smoke. And with the correct lighting and the right camera angle, we should create you the unbelievable scene that we're about to show you. But the question is, can the portable smoke machine fill up all of this space with fog? I'm sure you'll agree with me that this TELESIN portable fog machine is just epic. Being able to push out that much smoke to fill up an entire garage, not just that, help us create some serious epic scenes. Now, if you want to pick yours up today, I have all of the links that you're looking for down in the description, and you can literally pop over there and grab it right now, because you do not want to let this go out of stock. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of the cool stuff here in the tech space. And I will see you in the next helmet head video, but I'm going to have more and more fun playing with this portable fog machine. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.